Hi, I want to show you guys how to create that of the alert in JavaScript, which is just one of the types of pop-ups that we have in JavaScript. We do have alert, we have prompts, and then we have confirm. And we're going to utilize the built-in alert in this tutorial. So to do that, I do have a folder that I call the JS pop-up, which I want to show you. The folder right in here is inside of my YT project, which is just basically meant for my YouTube. Open that up, you see that we'll have this alert, which is this file that is being opened right in here. So you basically want to create a folder and then create any file in it. So I recommend creating a file that just kind of drives some points home. In my own case, I call that alert.html. Now, what I want to do is to generate my HTML boilerplate in here. And then let's name it JS. We'll just do JavaScript alert, and maybe you can just put a path side in here and just say pop-up. All right, and then within here I'm going to let's create a div, and I'm going to give this a class, and let's call this I'm going to just basically call this container. And within the container div in here, we can go ahead. What I want to do is going to be very simple. Let me create a button inside of this, and inside of here I'm just going to say, let's say alert button, which is basically the button you will click if you want to see the alert. Now within the body section, this button right in here, we can go ahead and then try to use the alert method in here, which we can just basically do, and we can put that on an event that is just basically called on click, and we can just say something like alert. And within this place right in here, we can go ahead and put whatever message we basically want to see in the alert. All right, and remember that I do have double quotes outside, and then I'm having a single quote on the inside. You don't want to have like double quotes on the outside and also have double quotes on the inside. That won't be actually okay. It will not make it work. So you need to have single quotes, and I'm quite sure that a good number of you already know this. So I'm going to just do hello, and maybe basically I want to just say, let's break this line down by doing this, and I'm going to just say maybe something like code kinder. This can actually be any message. All right, so let's do code kinder in here. All right, so I'm just basically saying hello code kinder right in here. I'm going to introduce a comment here, and then we can save the changes. Now what I want to do is let's right click on this. I do have live server installed on my VS Code, so we can right click and click on open with live server, and it's just basically going to open that up right in here. So if you hit on this button right in here, you're going to see that it's going to basically alert and then say something like hello code kinder, and then you can click OK to close that. All right, really very simple. So that's just basically how to do that. Now we can style this, and I don't want to waste my time trying to do that. So what I'm going to do, if I do style in here, and I'm going to just basically go ahead and pop in a style for the design right in there, which I just basically want to show you that, but I'm not going to explain anything. So this is it right in here. We're just trying to set the padding and margin to 0, and then setting the box sizing to border box, and then the font family right in here. This is just like your reset. All right, I'm just resetting every every default margin, and then padding all of these things that you see here. So this is the body and the container div that I created earlier. This is the style for it, and then we don't have h1 inside of it just yet. All right, so we can add that. So this is for the button, and this is a hover for the button right in here, and this is for the active. Now what we want to do is we can just stay within here and just do h1. You just do h1 right in here, and then you can just say alert box. All right, let's save that JavaScript alert box. You can call that anything you like, and this is how it looks right in here. So you can hit on this alert, and it's going to show up like this. So the message in here can be anything that you wish to add in there, whatever you want to add in here. So if I change the message in here and say something like, we'll just do pre-order my JavaScript, maybe babysitting costs now at 5 USD. If you want to do that, let's save the changes, and then if you go back in here and then hit on these, you see it shows up, hello, pre-order my JavaScript babysitting costs now at 5 USD. We can let's try to make sure that we correct this spelling right in there, and that's just what it is, guys. So I do have a course that is already on. I'm still working on that, so if you're interested in ordering for that, you can just basically get that by getting into my DM. So this is just what it is right in here. So we do have other ones like confirm and that of the prompts, and we're going to do that at a later time. So if you want me to do that of the confirm, I want you to go to the comment section and just drop the phrase confirm box, and I'm going to do that at a later time. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.